Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to block someone on YouTube updated easy guide. So there is actually no straightforward process to blocking someone on your YouTube channel. But if you want to go ahead and hide them so that they won't be able to see your content or comment onto any of them, then you're onto the right guide. So as you can see, we're currently logged in onto my YouTube account already. So log in onto your end as well. And right after, just find and research in the person that you want to go ahead and block. So this is just for an example. Let's try to go ahead and block this user in here. We're going to go ahead and head onto their channel first or search the channel where you want to block onto your end. Right after that, here under their details, click onto more and the about option should open onto their account. So if you scroll down further, there should be an option to report the user. So you won't specifically report them. You'll just need to click onto this hide user from my channel. So if you click onto this one, they won't be able to go ahead and see your content or also do some comments onto your channel. So just simply click onto submit, and that is just a simple way on how you block someone on YouTube. And if you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.